Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunrit Hajra. Today I am going to show you how to import 3D models in Blender and apply texture to them. So let's get started. So now let's open Blender, and in Blender we will open up General. Now let's import a 3D model in Blender. For importing 3D model, you just need to hover to file right here and click on it. Next you have to go to import, and in import you have to choose what file you want to import. It can be Cordia, Alembic, Universal Scene Description, or SVG wavefront, anything. Well, in our case we are going to import a FBX file. So let's choose the file. So it is importing. For this video I'm just gonna delete this cube so we can see the object properly. Now this is the FBX file that I've imported, and now I will import another 3D model again from this file, and next I will go to import, and now I will import wavefront. For this video I'm just gonna move this sand dunes just a little side so we can see the both models properly. Now the next thing we will do is applying textures. To apply textures to different meshes, I have already posted a video on that. You can go to the video by clicking on the I button on top. Now for viewing the textures, you have to go to this viewpoint shadings material preview mode, or you can just click Z and you can choose the material preview from here. Now let's apply the texture. So you have to go to this base color yellow colored icon, and you have to select the texture from it. That can be a brick texture, checker texture, environment texture, gradient texture, image texture, or any other texture from here. So let's apply the brick texture first. So this is the brick texture, and next I will apply the checker texture, and this is the checker texture. As this object is very rough, so the checker texture is not appearing very well, but still that's the checker texture. Next I will apply this environment texture. So this is the environment texture, and we can choose any image for this environment texture. So let's choose an image. So this is the image that I have chosen. So next I will apply a gradient texture. So this texture that we will apply will give a gradient effect to the object. You can adjust the metallicness or the roughness from here. Now next you can also adjust the IQR of this image and the alpha too. Next I will show you how to add an image texture. For image texture you have to choose an image. So now let's choose an image. So this is the image that I've chosen. Seems like I have made it too metallic, so this is looking bad. Now this is okay. So this is the image that I've added to this texture. So now there are more kinds of texture that we can add, but that I will show you on another video. So for now, that was all for today. Hope you like this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.